Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and going straight to Power and Sleep. This is where Windows controls idle behavior. Once in Power and Sleep, set both Screen and Sleep drop-downs to Never or a longer time to prevent automatic suspension. Make sure you change settings for both on battery and plugged in if applicable. If you need to preserve battery later, pick a longer interval instead of Never. Saving here avoids immediate sleep without advanced tweaks. Next, access additional power settings and edit your current power plan to control deeper sleep behavior. In Change Advanced Power Settings, expand Sleep and set Sleep after to Never so the PC won't enter standby automatically. Turn Hybrid Sleep off to prevent combined suspend modes and adjust Hibernate after to Never if present. Also check PCI Express and USB settings to disable selective suspend. These can trigger sleep-like state. Finish by verifying device and wake settings so nothing forces sleep later. Open Device Manager and disable, allow the computer to turn off this device for network adapters and USB hubs if they sleep the PC. Then inspect Task Scheduler and background apps for scheduled sleep or wake tasks and remove or modify them. If problems continue, run powercug/requests and powercug/lastwake to see what is causing sleep. This diagnostic step reveals lingering drivers or processes you can then address.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.